Hey guys, I'm Joshua with PoolBots.com, and today we're looking at the Dolphin M600 robotic pool cleaner from Maytronics. The M600 is a relatively new design from Dolphin, but it's only available in brick-and-mortar pool stores, so you can't buy it from any authorized retailers online. First, we'll take a look at what all comes with the M600. Like all Dolphin products, the tracks are great at wall climbing. They help the M600 adhere to pool surfaces. It has front and rear split spinning brushes, which can rotate in either direction. This is just like the Dolphin Sigma, which is available online for hundreds of dollars less. The filtration system is a large top-loading filter basket with dual layers and 2 filter media options. This is once again very similar to the Dolphin Sigma. There's also the 60-foot cable with an anti-tangle swivel, which helps the cords stay loose and pliable. Finally, the one-button power supply. To control the M600, you use the My Dolphin app on your smartphone. Once you get the M600 in the water, it's clear just how powerful it is. It uses Clever Clean navigation to scan the pool and create the best cleaning route. And it uses a jet technology to adhere to vertical surfaces and move along them. The M600 is also helped by its onboard gyroscope and split spinning brushes. The Dolphin Sigma is the online robotic pool cleaner with these best-in-class premium features. But we're excited to see them used on the M600 as well. The gyroscope helps detect the unit's orientation to all surfaces of the pool, and the split spinning brushes help it maneuver in and out of tight spots easily, where a simple 2-wheeled unit would have to do a tedious 3-point turn. The Sigma, and now the M600, can rotate without taking up any excess space, time, or energy. The M600 had a consistent and thorough waterline cleaning. In fact, we'd say it is almost on par with the Dolphin Premier, which is known as the king of the waterline. The M600 doesn't use a dual stabilizer like the Premier, but the M600 is helped by these high grip tracks and the water propulsion from the jet ports. When it comes to cleaning power, the M600 has plenty of power. The split spinning brushes rotate rapidly to help dislodge tough, stuck-on debris. Plus, they can rotate both forward and backward for extra scrubbing power. Combined with the M600's solid coverage, its actual scrubbing power is thorough and effective. This brings us to filtration. It has an extra large, top-loading basket that has 2 layers. The inner layer is a fine mesh, and the outer basket has interchangeable panels. While the dual layer filter basket with filter options adds a level of cleaning customization to the M600, it still lacks a simple solution for really large debris like leaves, twigs, or pine needles. We wish they have a few more filter options, especially at this high price tag. The Dolphin Premier, for example, has multimedia, which gives you 4 filter media options, including an oversized leaf bag that can hold a ton of leaves before ever needing to be emptied. Although the M600's basket is fairly large, you'll still need to empty it more often than a dedicated leaf bag like you'll find on the Premier. Like the Dolphin Sigma, you can use the My Dolphin app to control its cleaning schedule, cleaning jobs, diagnostic, and even drive the unit with the remote control feature. The M600 comes with a 3-year warranty just like the Dolphin Sigma and Dolphin Premier. For this hefty price tag, we would like to see larger coverage. Ultimately, the Dolphin M600 from Maytronics is a solid robotic pool cleaner if you're willing to shell out a ton of money. The performance is on par with the top-of-the-line online units such as the Dolphin Sigma, which also has the same app, gyroscope, and powerful motors. The price and local store only availability is also certainly not for everyone. It's only sold in brick-and-mortar pool stores, so you'll have to call around to even find the unit. For much less money, similar features and performance, and easy online availability, we suggest a unit like the Dolphin Sigma or Dolphin Premier. Both units clean the floors, walls, and waterline just like the M600, and both offer multiple filtration options, hands-off control, and a 3-year warranty. With almost identical performance to the M600 at a fraction of the price, units like the Dolphin Sigma and Dolphin Premier are a much smarter investment for pool owners. As always, you can read real reviews and learn more about dozens of other robotic pool cleaners at PoolBots.com. Visit our website to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.